Hi, everybody. This is week 2, Thursday. You may not be watching this actually on week 2 Thursday, but I'm going to go ahead and give you this lecture online. And I'm also going to repost I'm going to be reposting the quiz. So if you want to retake it, you're welcome to do that. And I'll give you the link to retake that quiz. So we're going to be talking about vowels today. We didn't get to them on Tuesday, but some of those were in the quiz, which is why I want to give you a second chance at that. Actually, it'll be your third chance. Vowels are speech sounds that we produce with an open posture. So if I produce some vowels to you, I might go ah, e, oo, eh. We're not necessarily constricting or tightening the mouth or the throat, or what we could call the oral cavity or the pharyngeal cavity, like we do when we make a G sound, ga. See how tight I'm getting here? I'm stopping the airflow. We don't do that with vowels. Our mouth is open, and typically with vowels we can prolong them. So if you think how constricted this word is, now it's a Y. Y is sometimes used as a vowel, but in this case, yes. I'm exaggerating. Keep, rope. The consonants in those sounds are constricted. The vowels are opened up a little. So again, we think of vowels as having a relatively open track. Vowels make up the syllable nucleus. And so if we are asked how many syllables in the word elephant, you can hear the vowels. Elephant, elephant. There are 3 vowels in that sound, or in that word. Vowels are categorized as monophthongs, or diphthongs. We'll talk about monophthongs first. So monophthongs are what we call pure vowels. They don't change. You can prolong the whole vowel as long as your breath lasts. So these would be like ah, and I could literally, hopefully, hold on to that for 20 to 30 seconds. The same with E, and so on. Those are monophthongs. And with monophthongs, there's one symbol, one IPA symbol for them, such as you'll see here the oo as in boot, I as in hit, a as in had. That's not all of the monophthongs, but those are examples of monophthongs. Diphthongs, di meaning two, are when there are actually 2 parts to the sound, so 2 parts to diphthongs. Some vowels have that sliding where we gradually change what we do with our mouth. Those are called diphthongs, as in the word boy. You see how my mouth is moving? Boy. How. I. So I'm going from one vowel to another vowel and I'm connecting them. It's gliding back and kind of moving back and forth or sliding. So when we produce these sounds, we're using what we call digraphs or 2 symbols. And so here you see oi, oi, ow, as in how, I, as in I. Now when we're writing, we will put kind of a, I guess it's almost like an inverted parentheses above it. I couldn't do that with my computer, but you would write it and you would put that line over it. That also helps you to remember that's just one phoneme. And that's why we put that sound over it. It's a digraph, but it's one phoneme. We have what we call the vowel quadrilateral, and it's kind of basically showing you where the vowels are made in the mouth. We can think about vowels as they are either high in the mouth or low in the mouth. They can be in the front of the mouth or kind of in the middle, or they can be back. And we're talking about where the tongue is there. So if I go from high to low with these vowels, think about where my tongue is. It'll go from the high front part of my mouth to the lower front part of my mouth. So I will do that. I will go I will go E, A, ah. E, ah. Now if I think about the central vowels, eh, those are just made in the middle of my mouth. If I think about vowels that are made with the constriction back in my mouth, my tongue can still be high, and then it'll fall as I say the words. So this one would be ooh, as in hoot, hoo, ha, ha. Okay, some of those are hard to distinguish, but we'll practice those. So that's the high to low part of the vowel quadrilateral. We also talk about vowels as being tense to lax. And so here, again, this is just that same quadrilateral made in a little bit different way. But this vowel, this is the E as in he. It is a high front and it's a tense vowel. The vowel I as in hid is a lax vowel. My tongue is more relaxed. So just do that by yourself. E, I, E, I. You'll feel the tension difference in your tongue. Here I'm going to contrast again. Oo, which is a high back tense vowel, oo, to as in book. Is a lax vowel. So oo, ooh, Another contrast, a tense vowel, as in had, as in bed, relaxed. A, and another lax vowel. This one is sometimes hard for me because I grew up in the Midwest and we don't always make this sound, but I was taught it's like the aw in dawn. And this is like the ah, and again, these are harder for me. The ah as in awful. So ah. And I confess I am not a good demonstrator of that. Here is a tense lax list. Now you'll notice that this list has done something already that I don't like. It's using diphthongs, and it's calling the vowels, but they are made more tense. So here we have lax vowels, I, a, and we'll get into these two a little more. Tense, E, A, A, O. And then we have wide, ow, these are diphthongs. Ow as in house, I as in try, oi as in boy. Okay, we will get into these R-colored vowels later. I'm not going to talk about them too much right now. We can also think about vowels in the terms of what our lips are doing as we make the vowels. So here you get to see me doing some vowels that are not rounded. In fact, I would say my lips are pulled back. E. So that's a that's a sound and a vowel without rounding, E. And now I'm going to do oo. Ooh, and you should be able to see my lips rounded. Ooh. You can see me straight on that way. Ooh. When I lengthen my lips, ooh, I'm actually making my vocal tract a lot, not a lot, but I'm making it longer. So when I'm doing this, E, there's no flesh, there's no pipe that's getting longer. When I do ooh, that's making the tube in my throat longer from here to here, ooh. So when we do that, we're lengthening the vocal fold, lengthening the vocal tract, and the pitch is a little lower. So we can have rounded back vowels such as oo as in to, as in book, o as in pole, and aw as in dawn. And another kind of rounded central vowel would be as in bird. And again, we'll talk about those R-colored sounds. Vowels that are made in the front of the mouth, like I was showing you on the quadrilateral, include E as in he. It's a high, front, tense, unrounded vowel. I as in hid. It's a high, mid-front, lax, unrounded vowel. As in say it, say. It's a mid-front, tense, unrounded vowel. This one, as in head. I always called this the head The as in head, it's a low, mid-front, lax, unrounded vowel. Ah as in hot or father. My handout says it's a high vowel, but that is, it looks like it's saying ah as in high, but it's not. Ah as in hot. It's a high, lower front, lax, unrounded vowel. Okay, ready for a quick little test here? What I'd like you to do is get a piece of paper. You can pause this if you need to go get a piece of paper and write 1 through 10. I'm going to say a word and I want you to write the vowel. Number 1, lured. She lured me to my death. Write the vowel. Don't forget your virgules. This is just for yourself. You're not getting tested on this. This is your own practice. Number 2, E as in me. Number 3, bed. Bed. What is the vowel? Number 4, father. What's the first vowel? Father. Number 5, this is the British sound. Her. Give it to her. That might be British or a Southern accent. Number 6 is in this pronunciation of the word enough. The first sound in that word. I've had enough of it. Enough. Oops, I'm sorry. Great, I just showed you the answers. Number 7, rut. Don't get into a rut. Number 8, the last sound in this word, lover. She has a lover. Number 9, rid. Get rid of it. Number 10, day. It's not your day. Okay, I'm going to stop now. If you go online, you can see the slides. The last slides will have the answer. You can practice this as many times as you want, and I encourage you to. Don't forget, you can also do the quiz if you want to redo your quiz, and be sure you get your 2 points. Thanks everybody, and have a really wonderful Labor Day weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next Tuesday.